Okay, now we're ready to get started on the next task, which is setting up the monorepo. We're going to assign this to ourselves, and it's in progress. So we're going to go over to our Kanban, and we're going to set up monorepo. We're going to go ahead and start the timer. And so now what we want to do is get into our code editor, and in the terminal we're in our project. If you don't have the Learna CLI already installed, you can go over to their GitHub page and it'll give you the instructions on how to install the CLI. I already have it installed, so what I want to do is this right here. So we want to be in our project, npx Learna init. This will initialize Learna in our project. So now what you should see in your directory is a package JSON and also a Learna JSON. Okay, and there's a few things we want to do to configure Learna. We want to, first of all, we're going to call this by our project name, which is going to be plot. That's it for setting up the monorepo. Very simple, very basic, but we're going to be adding more to these configurations as we build more packages. Alright, so now we're done with that. Let's go ahead and stop our timer. It only took us 3 minutes. And let's get back into Jira. Let's go ahead and mark our time, which was 3 minutes. We mark this done. Okay, so now we're on to the front end package. I'm going to assign it to myself. Okay, let's go over to our Kanban, and I'm going to put down setup. Okay, set our timer, and we're ready to go. Alright, back in our terminal. So we're going to be using Next.js with TypeScript, and the documentation for TypeScript here on the next site. Start now. So basically we're going to make a directory, and then we're going to npm install these things here. So we're going to make a directory called front end, and we're going to add React DOM, and next, and then we're going to make a directory pages. Yarn install these dependencies. Okay, so front end directory is made. pages, and then we're gonna add the TypeScript types. I forgot to initialize npm. So let's we're going to change our name to the convention, which is, we'll call it front end. And then we're going to place the scripts in the package JSON. Let's create pages index.tx. Okay, so Next.js works with pages, so we're going to create a new file, index.tsx, and let's just copy this home page here. Okay, so got a mistake here. Oh, okay, need a comma here. Alright, so let's yarn start and see, and voila, hello world. So now let's go to our Kanban. We can go ahead and start our timer here. Task is done. 3 minutes. Okay, so